Hello everyone, in this video of plants folder, we want to talk about relaxing and sleep-inducing herbs. Scientific research shows that 3 herbal remedies due to their sedative properties can help you experience better sleep at night. Of course, the list of herbal remedies which can be used to relieve a sleep disorder as a sedative is more than 20. These herbs may help you with one of the following positive effects: reduce anxiety, influence brain waves, influence the nervous system, and improve heart rate. If you are looking for a natural way to relieve insomnia and sleep deprivation, it is recommended to become familiar with these herbs. Perhaps you can also include other herbal remedies which help reduce depression and anxiety in your diet, in addition to the ones that will be mentioned later. If you are looking for a sedative herb instead of using chemical drugs or popular pills such as acetaminophen and similar drugs, join us in the following to provide you with a list of the most effective sedative herbs. Valerian. Based on a study conducted in 2013, taking about 500 mg of valerian at night can have a greater effect than a pill. Many people in Europe and America use the root of the valerian plant to relieve insomnia. The history of the use of this herbal remedy in Europe dates back to before the 18th century, but it has been used in Asia for centuries. But how to use valerian? It is possible to consume valerian as a tea. However, with the advancement of science, its extract can be extracted for use in the patient's diet. It is also available in dietary supplements. Mechanism of action of valerian on the brain. Despite the scientific efforts made to investigate all the components, the valerian plant and evaluate their effects on improving sleep quality, we are not fully aware of its mechanism of action in the human body and brain. Dosage of valerian. A study shows that taking less than 1 gram of valerian is beneficial for relieving insomnia and increasing relaxation. However, the scientifically appropriate dosage of this herb for improving sleep quality has not been calculated, but some experts recommended taking 300 to 600 milligrams of it daily. Side effects. In some people, taking more than the recommended amounts of valerian may cause side effects such as stomach cramps and nausea. Why some research is needed to investigate the effects of valerian? Many patients have confirmed the positive effects of valerian on improving their sleep with its use. However, the scientific investigation of brain waves has not been comprehensively done so far. Also, the effect of the valerian on factors such as heart rate, which has a direct impact on people's anxiety and relaxation, needs more research. Chamomile. Chamomile, with its unique temperament, can be the best option for improving sleep quality and increasing people's relaxation. In traditional medicine, those who cannot consume valerian for various reasons may be able to use chamomile instead. How to use? Chamomile can be consumed as a tea. Also, the extract of this plant or its dried powder can be used in the diet. Chamomile consumption rate. Typically, less than a few grams of chamomile is used to prepare a tea for each person in a consumption period. Also, the results of a study showed that using about 200 milligrams of chamomile extract is beneficial for improving sleep quality. You can also use chamomile or its extract in the recommended amounts and evaluate its effect on increasing your relaxation. Side effects of chamomile. Short-term use of chamomile as a tea is likely to have no specific side effect for you. However, the study of its effect on the body in the long term requires further research. Is chamomile better than a sedative pill? In some patients, the effect of chamomile as a sedative drug on improving sleep quality has been greater than the pill. However, some patients have observed a greater effect with the use of a sedative pill. Lavender. Lavender is the third famous plant on our list that is used to treat insomnia in many parts of the world. There is an active substance in this plant which seems to be the most important factor in the positive effects of lavender on the human body and brain. In a scientific study conducted in 2015, it was found that the use of the active substance found in lavender is more effective than the use of common pills in reducing anxiety and worry. Similar results were obtained in another study in 2019, using lavender for aromatherapy. It is possible to improve sleep quality with aromatherapy using lavender. A study conducted on over 15 patients with cardiovascular problems shows positive effects of aromatherapy after 15 days. Lavender side effects. The use of lavender oil or plant in the short term does not have any specific side effects for you, of course, in the recommended dosage. It is necessary to mention that in some cases, nausea has been reported. Another point is that the use of lavender oil for aromatherapy is recommended because the consumption of this oil is not recommended, although the study of the long-term effects of these compounds on the body requires further research.